Hi everyone, my name is Annette Morris and this is my channel. I do home decor and DIY. I also do collaborations. So this is a great time to subscribe down below because this is the season of collaborations. So sit back and relax and enjoy. So did you subscribe down below? Okay, let's get started. This is my favorite Disney Princess Table Escape Challenge. The hostess for this challenge is Salome at the Glamorous Penny Pincher and Keisla at Keisla channel. Don't forget to check out the playlist for all these wonderful collaborations. Sit back and relax. Have you guessed who my princess is? You're right, from the movie Frozen. Okay, are you enjoying it? And this is my place settings, and each place setting is different. On this side, I decided to put the silverware here. Just the plain silverware. And then on the other side is another mixture. This here is my centerpiece. It stretches from one end of the table to the other. And it's just a combination of picture frames and mirrors and boxes. And of course the candles, my lit candles to bring it all out. The pieces that you see there is just glitter paper and rhinestones. What you're looking at is the crystals and candle combination. And then the main theme of the table, the frozen castle. Now don't forget to check out the other wonderful collaborators on this challenge. And don't forget to subscribe, because that's what these collaborations are about. Growing our family member. Did you see the two different place settings? There's the diamond place setting and the crown place setting. Did you see something you like? Which place setting did you like the most? Comment below and let me know. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye, amores.